Welcome back to our channel One to Step everybody, where we post tutorial videos. And in today's video I will show you guys how you guys can download Midjourney images on your computer, because Midjourney is related with Discord, so you need to have Discord on your PC. And for new people who do not know what Midjourney is an AI which helps you create image using text. You can describe the type of image you want and Midjourney will create it. That's basically what Midjourney is. Alright, now let me show you how you guys can use it. And before I show you the steps on how you guys can use it and download the images you want from here, if you guys are new to our channel One to Step, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel with notification turned on. Let's move on. So let's say you see the image you want to download. Let's say I want to download this image from Midjourney. What I can do is just hover my mouse on top of the image, right click on it, and you can see where it says save image option. If I click on save image option, this will be downloaded on my PC. I'm just going to choose desktop, click on save, and it will be downloaded on my desktop and I can view it. Alright, now let's say you want to download the image which you created, but it got lost on all of this over here. Now what you want to do is go to this website. You want to go to this website called midjourney.com. This is the official website of Midjourney. Once you're in the official website and you log in into your account using your Discord information, it's going to show you this. So this is my account, and since I haven't generated any photo, nothing is being shown over here. But if I had generated some photo, those photos were going to be shown over here on my account. And beside your photo there is going to be a three dot. You can click on the three dot beside your photo and click on save image, and your image will be downloaded on your computer. So that's how you guys can download your images which you generated from Midjourney. Alright, so yeah, that's basically how you guys can download images from your Midjourney. If you guys found our video helpful, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel One to Step. I will see you guys next time. Bye bye.